finally that time of year again, when the world slows down just enough for us to notice the magic in cozy sweaters, red leaves, and warm pumpkin spice lattes between our palms. Autumn to me feels like a gentle reminder that change can be beautiful, that the world can go to sleep before waking up again. We can shed what no longer serves us and still dance gracefully in the breeze. As John Keats once wrote, "Season of mist and mellow fruitfulness, close bosom friend of the maturing sun." And it's true, anyone who thinks fallen leaves are dead has never watched them dancing on a windy day. There's a spark in the air. Life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. So come spend this season with me in London, from cozy fall activities to Halloween dress up and nights out. We're taking our walk through the woods. We're gonna go to the pumpkin patch later today, so we have a full set of Halloween and fall activities for this week. We're gonna play tennis now, and we're gonna take you along with us to the pumpkin patch. 2 weeks left until Halloween. Let's go. Pumpkin patch and get brunch at the Green Room in Enfield. It's Cruise Hill Pumpkin Patch that we went to last year, so we're gonna try to pick out a pumpkin and probably get some hot chocolate.
Pumpkin!
Mania.
Whoa!
Love it, love it.
A race for the lady.
Thank you. Yeah. No, we save spiders here.
I can see more medium size ones. Look at me. They might look medium size ones that I can see.
Oh yeah, kind of sad. It's not sad, right?
No. There's one that.
Like how Thomas Ellie. Wait, let's see.
One. Go.
like the umbrella, just in case. Yes. For 7 gifts, right?
Three, two, one.
So you be the judge of the flavors, okay?
10 years. 10 years.
And this one, the raisin scones next to it. And on the side, we've got strawberry jam. That's
It is Sunday night. We just got back from the Langham Hotel for the wine and cheese tasting. I didn't eat cheese because I don't eat dairy, but I had these really nice vegan sandwiches, and we had 4 glasses of sparkling wine. It wasn't technically champagne because it was from the UK, but they said that there was a really good season apparently, so they were giving us UK-made sparkling wine. And it was just a really nice time with my boyfriend and his family. We got lots of good pictures, and they made really good substitutes for the cheese for me. And then we had scones with like jam and like butter and stuff. So it was really fun, and I can't wait for this week because we have a lot more plans ahead, and we're going to be doing some fall activities. The next day, I worked from a cafe with my sister before going to Sky Garden with our family of friends from America to show them around London. It was a cozy, wholesome day before the big night on Friday where we're going out dressed as a Winx for Halloween.
Crossroads of all the magic dimensions. We've been invited to a Halloween party tonight in Gardenia. Oh, what? Very important. The magic energy flows right through it. You know, Halloween. And jack-o'-lantern, scary costumes. Spreads out. I went to interview this very ancient tree and, the Halloween party is tonight with scary lanterns and a game of jack.
So this is the final look. I'll take better videos after, but the gloves I think really make it, and this corset, it was all makeshift and not actually fully Winx, like an actual costume, so I put it together kind of in a DIY way with mostly stuff I already had, including this, which is just green, a green ribbon with this like hibiscus flower from Thailand on it, and then the gold hoops and the makeup, and of course the wings, which I had to buy, but I'm really happy with how it turned out, and we need to get some good content with it. So we'll take you along with us to Phenomenon, which is the night that we're going out to in Hackney. We've been wanting to go to this for a while. It has Lana Del Rey, Marina, Taylor Swift. And this is our bloom, Flora and Bloom. We are so excited to go meet the rest of our Winx. Let's see what outfits they have on.
Clube das Winx, só gata perfeita, cílios, sobrancelha, silicone no peito, pra ninguém botar tá de na lipopilota, na vira várias melas se espelha, mas não vai ter jeito. Ele é um trem bala e tá sem freio. Deixa passar na sua frente que você vai ver, vai ver, vai ver. Coco Chanel em pessoa, mademoiselle. Cheirosa, cheirosa demais. Gostosa, gostosa demais. Depois que você sentiu o gosto, nunca mais você vai ter paz. Cheirosa, cheirosa demais.
Hey guys, it is Sunday, so we're on the way to a cafe, and there I'm gonna do some journaling, plan my week, and we'll also take some content for Look Fantastic, one of the brands I'm working with. And afterwards, we're gonna do some final fall activities before it's the big week of Halloween. We're gonna carve pumpkins and make a haunted village that's like a gingerbread house but Halloween themed. This recipe for the haunted mini village biscuit was a lot easier than I thought, but it did take time. So first we dumped in the actual contents of the biscuits, the flour. We stirred in some vegan butter, making sure it's softened, and then substituted the syrup for honey. We then had to add some water because it looked a little dry, even though it's not on the recipe. And after rolling it out, it was ready to be cut into different shapes to actually create the different walls of our village. And it took about 12 minutes to bake. Afterwards, we started making the icing. So you add in about 10 milliliters of water, very little, just don't overdo it. And we had white icing and then purple icing to actually decorate the houses.
This is Halloween. What was that?
They actually turned out pretty well. Let's get all the angles, the spiders, the ghost. There's something beautiful about the way October lingers, like the last line of a story you can't stop rereading. Until next time, stay cozy, curious, and don't forget that magic always hides in the ordinary. Good night, my loves, and happy haunting.